Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Honda CR-V EXL. This one is white. Underneath it's a 1.5 4-cylinder with 190 horsepower and 179 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. A beige leather interior. Sunroof. CR-V all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, touchscreen media display, heated seats, climate control, automatic transmission, USB ports in the center console. This CR-V has 56,845 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 Honda CR-V EXL, visit us at feldmanimports.com.